Have you ever felt like your mind is not your own? Like something inside you is pulling the strings, draining your focus, killing your peace, and hijacking your willpower? That's lust. Not love, not connection. Just a quick hit of pleasure that leaves a long shadow behind. No one told us this, but lust is a mental parasite. It rewires your brain silently until you forget who you really are. And is everywhere. On your phone, on your screen, in your pocket. But here's the truth they won't teach you in school. You can control it. Step 1. Catch the trigger. Before the urge controls you, pause. Is it boredom, loneliness, stress? Spot it, and you weaken it. Step 2. Replace the pattern. Lust is a habit, and habits don't die. They get replaced. Use that same energy to build something. Work out, learn, serve, create. Make your urges your fuel. Step 3. Guard your inputs. Your brain becomes what it sees daily. Unfollow what tempts. Block what traps. Curate what grows you. And finally, step 4. Build a bigger vision. Because lust feels like a purpose when you don't have one. Who are you becoming? What legacy will you leave? You are not weak. You are untrained. And today, that changes. Drop a comment. I master my mind, not the other way around. Subscribe for truth society won't give you. This isn't about shame. It's about power.